Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York and I'm here in fabulous Las Vegas on a beautiful morning. It's about 11 o'clock in the morning. Right behind me is the entrance to the Linq Promenade, one of my favorite places to hang out when I feel like eating, drinking, shopping, or just doing some people watching. It's 11 o'clock in the morning, shouldn't be too busy. Let's go check it out, shall we? Now, I've done Linq Promenade videos before, and as I edit this particular video, I'm also packing to head back to Las Vegas. Actually, as you watch this, I am probably in Las Vegas already for a day or two. In an effort to save time and to try something a little bit different, I'm not going to do much commentary, not going to have any background music. We're just going to let the Linq Promenade speak for itself, the sights and sounds of the Linq Promenade early in the morning. Let's check it out. This is Mitzi, the Rubber Ducky Showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Mitzi shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. And a shout out to Nikita Watson, who left a super thanks, thank you very much Nikita Watson, on my latest Atlantic City video, the Barley's Room in the Barley's Tower. Thanks again for supporting the New York channel, Nikita. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the video, and if you are, give it a thumbs up, and while you're at it, if you're not subscribed to the New York channel already, subscribe right now. It really does help the channel out. And while you're at it, if you'd like to support the New York channel, just click on that thanks button right underneath the video. I appreciate your support, guys. And that's it today from the Linq Promenade. Beautiful afternoon. Things are just starting to get busy around here. I'm getting an appetite. Not sure where I'm going to eat, but I'm going to eat someplace soon. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It really does help the channel out. Thanks for watching. So I had mentioned in the outro that I was getting hungry, and there I was standing right in front of Flour and Barley's, the pizzeria here at the Linq Promenade. So I decided, why not? I went in for a slice. Yep, it's Christmas time here in Las Vegas if you haven't noticed yet. It's the last of my Christmas videos. Thank goodness I'm in town now to make a whole fresh batch, so look forward to those coming by the end of this week. Also, as far as that pizza was concerned, it wasn't bad. It was just a plain cheese slice. I doctored it up with a little Romano cheese and some hot pepper flakes, and I really enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, guys, and stay tuned to that community room all week long. I'm sure I'll be posting stuff as I enjoy my week here in Las Vegas. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.